Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to renew your domain name on GoDaddy.com. First of all, you need to log into your account, and once you will log into your account, then you need to go to your profile menu on the top right and go to your products. Right here, you need to click My Products, and it will redirect you to this page. You need to scroll down and you'll see the list of your own domain names. So for example, I have got this domain georgebasics.com and I need to renew it. So I need to click manage on the right side. Then on the left side, I need to choose domain on the left menu, guys. And before I will show you how to renew your domain, I will remind you that if your domain expired more than 25 days ago, you will need to repurchase it, guys. So now I'll show you how to renew it. For example, you want to renew this domain name. Here is renew now button right here. You need to click it. You need to click checkout right here. Then you need to select the number of years you want to renew your domain name. Then choose the payment method. For example, you want to use PayPal, or you need to use your credit or debit card. For example, let's choose I'm ready to pay. Right here, you can add it to your payment method. For example, you can click add a new credit card and enter your credit card information. Just finalize the payment. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.